Okay, so out of nowhere, when I was asleep last night, my OpenClaw agent just randomly messaged my girlfriend out of nowhere. It's pretty scary when I woke up. Okay, I thought, what's going on? Did I get hacked here? But apparently, I think my OpenClaw agent was trying to get a pairing request every time my girlfriend sent me a message on WhatsApp. Because the backstory here is I've completely stopped using WhatsApp and switched my OpenClaw agent to using Discord. And I thought I've already unlinked my phone number on WhatsApp, but I think there are two key steps that I've missed, which essentially led to my OpenClaw agent trying to revive my gateway on WhatsApp, is if that makes any sense. So I just wanted to share what happened here. Maybe if you're going through the same thing where you have switched from WhatsApp to Discord and then suddenly your agent starts like messaging people whenever the message trigger from your friends message you, that happened, what to do, right? So this morning when I woke up, I checked my WhatsApp and then I checked my Discord. Out of nowhere, Jeff said, WhatsApp pairing required. So I checked around and I found out that there are two things still left in my OpenClaw config files that still has my WhatsApp credentials, and I've completely removed them. Number one is the openclaw.json file. This is your config file. So you have to go to terminal, type this out. Number one, so I did some deep digging and found out two things that caused this to happen. Number one reason is my config file, the openclaw.json. So my WhatsApp number was unlinked, but in the config file still had my WhatsApp credentials. My phone number was still there. So that needs to be completely removed. You should edit it out, delete anything that has WhatsApp section in that channel. So how you do that is you go to your terminal, or for me, I use Termius, access the terminal, then put OpenClaw config get channels. Okay, and then if you see WhatsApp there, just completely remove it. All right, and then to double check, you can just type this message, OpenClaw config get channel specifically, all right, dot WhatsApp. And if the file is not found, or if there's an error message, or if path not found, it means WhatsApp is completely gone. Okay, and the number two reason is the linked device in your WhatsApp. Okay, in your WhatsApp settings, you should see linked device. Okay, and apparently I forgot to unlink my device in my WhatsApp app. So remove that one as well, and it should be good. Okay, so from what I understand, I think this is already completely fixed. My WhatsApp credentials is no longer in any of my OpenClaw's files. So try that to give a good fix. But if it, if my OpenClaw still messages people again on WhatsApp, then I'll need to find out, because this is like pretty scary, boys. Like, imagine out of nowhere. Like, luckily this is just a request pairing message. What if it's something else? Right? What if it just, that's like scary. So, boys, if you know more about this one, let me know what else I need to check to make sure that my OpenClaw doesn't message randomly anymore on WhatsApp. If you have any tips and tricks or stories that something like this had happened, let us know in the comments too, down below. We are very curious, very interested to know, these stories, what happened, right? All right. So the key takeaway here, two reasons. Number one is check your config files in JSON format. If there's a WhatsApp name there, or if you see your phone number there, remove it. And number two is make sure you unlink your device inside your WhatsApp app. Okay. And hopefully with that has helped you out. All right, boys, remember to smash up this like button. Boys, remember to smash up the like button if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to the channel, follow for more. We're going to be posting a lot more updates. So you can see this is just a pretty quick one, but just in case if you guys are also encountering these sort of experiences, these sort of problems, we're here to, share everything, right? So my name is Ron,